AS subscribers sa buong mundo na nakiki-showtime sa atin. Hello po sa inyong lahat!
Yes!
Ano man ang lahi nyo?
Ano man ang kulay mo?
Sa programa ito, pantay-pantay ang kaligayahan.
Dahil dito, dahil lahat ang sikat!
Yan ang paninindigan ng Showtime, ang gawing laging kasing saya ng Pasko ang bawat sulok ng mundo.
At kung ang mga TFC subscribers madalas bumisita sa atin,
Last September 12, ang Showtime naman ang sumugod for the very first time sa Amerika. It's your show. It's your time. It's Showtime! Let's go, Marta people!
Let's party!
Taas ang mga!
ano mang lahi, ano mang kulay, sama-sama sa tagumpay, umulan man o umaraw, kahit ang dulo ay di magtanaw, ano ang hirap ng buhay, pangarap ay tagumpay, ituloy lang ang
San Francisco, get ready!
I'ma be the upgraded new. I'ma be the average nigga with some. I'ma be worldwide international. I'ma be
From Oakland, please welcome Future Shock Oakland. It's showtime!
Ako po si Charisma. Ako po si Jelly. And we're Future Shock Oakland. We're here to show you a good time. Because it's your show, it's our time, it's showtime.
Let's get ready to rumble!
I just came out of the mud and it cuffed it old school. Got my Mac notebook with the Pro Tools. Got the thing ready for Nikki Lewinsky. Bad wolf.
Future Shock Oakland!
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ito po si Manny Pacquiao at maraming salamat sa inyo.
Eto na, galing pa sa Bay Area, please welcome Funk Beyond Control! It's showtime!
My name is Jelly and we are FBC. It's your show, it's your time, it's showtime. Let's do this!
Uy, ano ba? TV ng TV? Tama na yan. Uy, you have to practice for dancing for your attendance party. Go dance now for your practice.
Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Midnight, not a sound from the pavement. Ow! You keep stepping on my feet. Just forget it. I'm gonna go watch TV. Ooh, Batman.
To the Batmobile. Let's go. Tear it up, tear it up. Do it, all you do it, oh, shout it, got move, move. It's
Yes, let's go to Horados too.
I like the choreography, the costume, also, and what do you call this? Ay, nag-fluctuate na naman ako. Oo.
Baba na signal, baba.
Overall, I love it.
Technically, you guys were amazing. You guys were very on point with your moves. You hit it hard with power.
Oh, I love it when you say that. Hit it hard. I love that. I love the storytelling. You are not just dancing, but you are telling us a story, and I love that. And I can see the connection with the audience. That was very effective. You are very cute, and you move very well. That was so theatrical. That was very, very entertaining. And as I said, your connection with the audience is very good. And with that, congratulations. Here's your score.
10!
Please welcome Parangal Dance Company!
Maganda yung costume, Pinoy na Pinoy, at saka nakakatuwa dahil yung kulturang Pilipino hindi pa rin nakakalimutan kahit nasa ibang lugar. At least pinapalagana pa rin natin.
Masarap makakita ng ganyan, na masyadong Filipino. Kaya lang, dapat may bale para ma-excite yung audience. Diba? Kasi alam na natin yan eh. Alam na natin kung paano magsisimula at kung paano matatapos. Sana pina-excite nyo kami. Binigyan nyo kami ng something na hindi namin ina-expect. O kaya, yung baso may tubig, habang nasa ulo, iniinom nung isa. Diba? O kaya, habang yung isa may baso may tubig, isinasalin sa kabilang ulo. Diba? O kaya, nilalagay sa tenga, tapos lumalabas sa kabila.
And the kicking is awesome. It's so high. My goodness, what happened? And yeah, so many flying. Oh God. So many tumbling, yes. Flying. Yeah, fighting. Yeah, he said the butterfly kick was great. Look at my English.
I love the music. The music was superb. Yeah, that was energetic as well. What you did was very artistic, skillful, astonishing. That was passion with perfect execution. So here's your score.
10! And the grand prize is a tie! Congratulations to Funk Beyond Control and Team Loop Kick!
Ito po, sa Madam People!
showtimers sa California.
Oo nga, sana next year matagdagan pa yan.
Oo naman, kaya ngayon pa nga lang mag-impake na tayo, dali! Now na! Kaya lilipat na po tayo, maaari lamang isuot na ang mga sinturong pangkaligtasan kung ayaw niyong masaktan.